So I am interning in Colombia once more at Flying Tree Yoga. I will be continuing to develop my teaching in Spanish skills, and this time offering sound in Spanish. So what does a sound healer bring to Colombia and how? Well, 3 bags worth. We've got the large, oversized, overweight bag and the full capacity, at capacity weight, at capacity measurements. And then even my carry-on was like the heaviest they would allow it to be. And the largest. So let's see how things survived. You are seeing this with me as I look at it for the first time. So I hope everything has survived. Here we go. Okay. First the carry-on. Oh, it's so heavy, and you're about to see why. And my carry-on, I brought singing bowl number 1, singing bowl number 2, you're not even seeing the singing bowl number 3, singing bowl number 4. Hello, my bulls. Welcome to Colombia. Oh my goodness. Singing bowl number 5. Singing bowl number 6. Yay, you made it. And singing bowl number 7. Yay, these lasted no problem. Of course, they're brass. They're pretty, but they're heavy. They were heavy. The set of 7 was 22 pounds by itself. And then there's more stuff in here too, to give you an idea. Okay, hold that thought. Okay, let's see. Oh. Thank goodness for wrapping at airports. Highly worth the money to keep your stuff protected. They also seem to come first off the plane when you do this. Just a little tip. At least every time I've done this, my bags have been first off the plane, and I've done this now like 4 times. So, kind of worth it. It's like Christmas. Okay, let's see how these instruments do. Let's see. Oh, look at this, my friends. Ah! Can you guess what's in here? Here we go. Besides my socks, here we go. Wow! You made it, you beautiful crystal bowl. 1 crystal practitioner singing bowl that I can use in my sound bath classes at Flying Tree Yoga. Perfect case for traveling. Oh, mwah. Ooh, it's fogging up because it was cold and now it's really hot here. That's really cute. Okay, let's get you back in. Welcome to Colombia. Bienvenido a Colombia. Okay, what's next? There's more in here. There's more in here for sure. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I brought my flute, so this is obviously only part of it. But yes, my flute has come with me. And that's more flute. Where's the other? Here we go. Bum, ba, da, da. My harmonic spectrum tuning forks for off-body sounds. And, oh, that's another flute part. And here we go. This is just one of 4 weighted tuning forks for on-body sound. Okay, so there's more of these. There's more flute. And I'm pretty sure the rest is clothing. I did bring a lot of clothes, I know. Okay. Okay, but here's where this one. This one is the real test to see if the instrument I brought here survived. Fingers crossed. Okay. Okay. Look what I brought. A gong! Actually 2 gongs. Okay. And I think, oh my goodness, I don't think there's any dents. I was really worried because this suitcase was not actually quite big enough. We couldn't find a big enough suitcase for sale these days. They don't seem to make them. Well, I don't know. I couldn't find it. But it kind of fit in on an angle. I had to pack really funny. And so the little gong should be fine. Gong number 1. You made it, you beautiful baby. And here we go. Yay! Oh, baby, you did it. You made it on the plane. Look at this big, beautiful thing. This isn't my biggest gong, but I couldn't bring the big gong. I don't have a hard case for it. Maybe another day. But wow, you did it. Mwah. Welcome to Colombia. Yay! So, and then this was filled with the stands for the gongs, mallets, and yes, more clothing. But for any of you in Medellin, start looking at Flying Tree Yoga's site, as well as me here, because I'll be doing some sound there for like pay what you can classes. So, and the proceeds go back to the community. So yeah, but while I'm here, I won't be working. I'm just doing volunteer. And it would be so much fun to offer you sound. So if you're here in Medellin, keep checking in to see when the sound classes start. Okay, ciao for now.